How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, very good. Thank you.
Okay, so I have just checked and overview that your video is awesome. So you are looking only video editor or overall like planning, execute, strategy, all.
Yeah, I think for now what we have from just a second, let me just a second.
Okay.
Benny. Sorry, my dog. So right now we have a editor. He's only editing our videos, so he does the whole episode, and then he's doing 4 shorts out of one episode. No, actually 3 shorts, so that we post on our TikTok and Instagram, and then he also does one teaser. So only that, nothing, no promotion, just editing. And right now, I think since we're still in the beginning, we just started like in May. I think we just need a good editor because we're not really happy with the current one. So I think with the promoting, we can discuss that a little bit later. So right now, our main priorities is editing.
Okay, so in a week, how many like video we need to edit? Shorts, 3 or 4?
No, so we're shooting one episode per week. So it's
Wow.
only one episode. So yeah, so one episode. It's usually like an hour long. So far it's just me and her, me and my co-host, my friend. But starting September, we're gonna start having guests on. So, but it's still, I think it's going to be around hour to hour 30 max, not longer than that.
Okay.
So, yeah, so it's one episode per week.
So if you frankly tell me that what is the current price you pay the editor, so I can understand your
Yeah.
fee.
Yeah, our editor is in Serbia. He's a young kid. He's like 21 years old, but he's charging us 750 euros. No, $750, which is I don't know how much in euros that is because we're paying him through PayPal.
Okay, so as we charge, I